We have failed both the Palestinians and the people of Kashmir. Daylight robbery going on in Palestine. We are a divided house. We are 1.5 billion people. And yet, our voice to stop this blatant injustice is insignificant. It's a war crime, according to the 4th Geneva Convention, to change the demography of an occupied land. Yet no one is pushed about it. Neither India has pushed nor Israel, because they think we are ineffective. We 1.5 billion people, unless we take a united stand, we'll be nowhere. We are not talking about conquering some country. We're simply talking about the human rights of the people of Kashmir and Palestine, the international law, which is on their side, United Nations Security Council resolutions that back their right. In Kashmir, the international community promised them the right to decide their own destiny through a plebiscite. That right was never given to them. Nothing happened because they feel no pressure. They feel we can make a resolution and then, back to our usual business. I'm not talking about altering our foreign policies. All of us countries have our different foreign policies. But on core issues, I am asking the OIC that unless we have a united front, we will keep these abuses will happen. The way the world is headed, I'm afraid it's headed the wrong way. There's a Cold War almost started. There is a chance of world being divided into blocks. We 1.5 billion people, unless we are united, unless we take a united stand, we'll be nowhere. As what I'm scared to say where the future is headed right now, in bloc politics, in Cold War, and let's just 1.5 billion people we keep underestimating the strength we have. Somehow we lack self-belief. As a sportsman, I can tell you that a team that has self-belief will defeat a team that is far more talented but doesn't have self-belief. We don't have self-belief. We somehow look to others to help us and get justice. But where the world is headed, it is extremely important that we get united and on certain core issues take a stand. And let's not be dragged into blocks, into the conflicts. We should stay as a bloc and show our power in bringing about peace rather than becoming part of some conflict. Thank you very much.